friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to solve database part of the paper May-June year 2025. So let's start. Task 3, database. You are now going to prepare a report. Dates must be imported in the format of day, month, year. Make sure all required data is fully visible. 15. Use database software to import the file J2521 learners.csv as a new table. Use these field names and the data types. So we'll import the file M2521 learners. For that, I'm using MS Access. So I will create a database first. I will use blank database. Create a blank database. Give the database name May June 2025. Whatever the name you want to give, you can give. Let's save this. Create. Okay. We have to import this file. So to import the file, you go to external data. If you are using another version of MS Access, here new data source will be there. Under that, text files are there. So I'm having another version. I'm having text file here. So go to external data, text files, so data into the new tables. So we must select this option. Locate your file. Learners.csv. Okay. Next. Here first row contains the header. So always select this option wherever the first row is given the heading, field names. Most of the students forget to select this option. Next. Here they have given some data types, so we'll set here, go to advanced. Date order, it is in the day DMY, yes. Surname, for name, gender, text, these are the text. This is the number, okay. DOB is date and time. And telephone is in the text format, so we'll change this. Telephone is the text. We'll use short text. School email, class code, AA code, all are the text, and online application is the boolean or logical. So for the boolean, it is long answer here. For the boolean we'll use yes or no. Now just save that. Okay. Next, here they are asking to choose the primary key. Learner number is a primary key. So learner number is a primary key. So I will select choose my own primary key, learner number. Next, and then finish. So I imported the file. All fields are visible. Okay. Now we will change. Here it is given, it should be displayed as a yes or no, and date format is the DMMMYY. So I will go right click, go to design view. Online application is yes or no. Lookup should be the text box, and general, the format should be yes or no. Okay, and then date of birth, DOB, is in the format of like this, medium date. Yes. So save your data types. Okay. Now we can see changes. Yes, online application before 0 and 1 it was there. Now yes and no, and date UB has changed in this format. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field name, data type and primary key used in the table. So we'll take the screenshot of this field name, data type. This is given here. Okay. So for screenshot, we'll use the key Windows Shift S, or you can directly use the print screen. Just copy. Now I will open the evidence document. And evidence, this is my evidence number 15. Yes. So we'll paste in the 15th evidence, Control V. Okay. Now we'll come to the next. So by this we finished 15. Okay, come to the next 16. Import the file J2521 access.csv as a new table in your database. Set the data type to the text and set a code as a primary key. For that, open the database, just close our table. Okay, for that again go to external data, text file. This option should be selected. Locate your table, access.csv. Okay. Next, first row contains the field name. Okay. Next, we'll just check the data type. All are the text. Okay. And DM by should be okay. Next, and choose the primary key AA underscore code. Next, finish. So we have the another table. Yes. Just increase that so it will be visible. Okay. Place your evidence. So we have to copy the evidence. So right click, design view. This is showing our this primary key and the text field. So we'll take the screenshot of this file and paste in our evidence document, evidence 16. Okay, so by this we finish 16 now. Okay, come to the 17. Examine the file J2521 class.csv and identify the most appropriate data to use as a primary key. Choose this file. Import the file J2521 class.csv in your database. So class.csv will just see what could be the primary key here. It is given year group class. Okay, how class reference year head, house code, house color, and house leader. What can be the primary key here? Primary key should not be the duplicate. So which one can be the primary key here? We'll use class reference as a primary key because it is not a duplicated here. Now we import the file in our database. Go to external data, text file, browse, class.csv. Okay. Next, first row contains the data and this. Here, data types are given. So we'll just go to the advanced. The date order DMY, year group number, and rest all are the text. Yes. So we'll just click OK. Next, and class reference will be the primary key here. Class reference. Next, finish. Place in your evidence screenshot showing the field's name, data type, and this displays the integer. Just will open in the design view. It is a number, it is the integer. Okay, and place in our evidence document, that is evidence 17. Yes, done. Okay. So by this 17 also finished. Next 18. Create one-to-many relationship as links between AA code field in the access table and the AA code field in the learners table. So access table and the learners table. So to make the relationship, we'll go to database tool, relationship. So learners, access and class, all tables we want. Okay. So the AA code in the access table and the AA code in the learners. So AA code in the access table and AA code in the AA code and AA code here. Okay. Both a one-to-many relationship, and we have to place the screenshot. So we'll take the screenshot for this. Great. And I will place the screenshot in the evidence. The primary key field in the class table and the class code field in the learners table. Class table and class code field in the learners table. So class reference is the primary key here. So from 1 to many, J21 class reference, and learners class code field in the learners, class code field in the learners table. It is one-to-many relationship. We'll take the screenshot of this and place in our evidence document. Create the relationship. Okay. And place. Yeah. Okay. So by this we finished 18 also. Now come to the 19. Add the following record, a new record in the learners table. The data is given this. So name is Norris. We'll open the learners table. Just we'll save the relationship and close. In the learners table, we'll add new data. We'll go to the end. Name is Norris. For name is Anma. Sex is female. Learner's number is this. Date is now. Telephone is email. Email is and telephone. Class code 4R and AA code is AA02 and this online application no. We'll just save this data. Okay. So by this we finished our 19 also. Come to the 20. Using fields from all the tables, produce a tabular report that selects the record where gender is female. Axis underscore arrangement include the text time. So in the report part, this is our query. Before making the report, we make the query. This is our query part, and then we make the report. So that just close. To make the query, we'll go to the database create. We can make the from the query design or query wizard. I will make a query design. We need all the tables. Now we need some field only. Shows the fields learner number, for name, learner number, for name. These are there in the arrange. Okay, learner number, for name, and we'll add the field in this order only. For name, surname, date of birth, gender. For name, surname, date of birth, gender, year group. Year group is in the class table. Class code, access arrangement, class code. Class code and access arrangement and online application. See, class code, access arrangement and online application. Okay, now what is our criteria for the selection? This gender is female. So for the gender criteria, we'll write female. And axis arrangement includes the text time. Axis arrangement should include the text time. So before and after time, anything can come, but the time word should be there too. So star, time, star. So it will be like this. Okay, now we'll run our query, save. Okay, and now we'll run. So axis arrangement time is there and our gender is female. Yes. Now we'll make the report. So to make the report, we'll go to create report wizard, and here you check the query one is should be selected because this is our query. Then sort the data into ascending order. We need all the fields. Next, sorting will do the later. Has the page orientation of landscape, single page white and printer only on two page only. Include the text arrangement schedule, title, date of birth. Okay, here it is saying no group of data. So next, no grouping is needed. Next, will not arrange now, otherwise our order of the fields will change. We'll do later, and it should be in the landscape. Change landscape. Next, and my title of the report, I'm using this access arrangement to be scheduled. Finish. You can see here it is not visible, so we'll just rearrange that. We'll open in the layout view and arrange the field by clicking first and then control. You can select the data and the field together. Just we'll see report view. Yes, it is coming in a single page and all the fields are visible. Here it is just congested, so I will make it little clear. So again we will go to layout view. Now okay, yes, so we have done fit in the this include the text. This should be now, just change this, increase, and it should appear in the center. We'll change just bigger in the size, so it is 20, we'll make 30 and it is in the center. Okay, now we have to do here the sorting. Sort the data into ascending order of axis arrangement and the descending order of year group. So we'll sort now the data. To sort the data, we will arrange this open in the design view. At the sort field, sort by axis arrangement, that is the ascending order. Yes, ascending order, and then again at the sort, that will be the descending order of year group. Okay, from largest to smallest. Okay, now we save. So now you can see our ascending order of the axis arrangement. Yes, and the descending order of year group. Use a function to display date of birth of the youngest student and place this at the end of the report. So youngest student we have to show. So for that we'll go to the design view. In the design view we'll put the formula to find the maximum date of birth, and the maximum date of birth will be the youngest one. Okay, so for that we'll just add the label in the we'll add the label and we'll write the formula for the label that we have to find out the maximum. So equal max, what is the max? DOB and text, they have given the text that to be display the date of birth of the youngest student. So type here date of birth of the youngest student. Now we'll check the property sheet. Yes, data is maximum date of birth. Now we'll check in the design view, layout view, it is showing or not. Yes, date of birth of the youngest student is 21/8/2010. Has your name, center number and candidate number in the footer of the page report, so it appears on the same position on the every. So again we'll go to the design view, and here we'll take the label only, and we'll write our name, center number and the candidate number. We'll see it is appearing. Yes, it is appearing in the page. Save and print the report and a screenshot of the database formula to find the youngest student. We'll save this and we'll go to print. Print preview. We'll just check. Yes, it is appearing first in the first page. It is appearing in the second page also. Youngest date is here. Okay, so just we'll give the print for the page report. Okay, and they are asking to keep the screenshot for the mm, youngest one. So we'll take the screenshot of this, Windows Shift S, and we'll take the screenshot of this and we'll place in our evidence document. That is the evidence 20. Okay, we'll save this. Now come to the, so by this we finished our 20. Now come to the next. 21. Using fields from all the tables, produce the label which selects a record where A code is A01, class code includes 546 are sorted into the descending order. So um, this will be the query for our labels. First we'll make the query and then we'll create the label. For the label we need access arrangement, learner's number, phoneme, surname and date of birth, class code, class tutor. So we'll go to our database, we'll go to create, query, design. For query we need all the tables, class, access, class and learners. Close. Okay, so we'll take the fields from the table, access arrangement, A code, approval and guidance we don't need, so we'll not include in this, surname, forename, gender, learner's number we need, date of birth we need, telephone, school email, class code also we need, A code we already have taken A code here, online application, no need for the online application. Here class reference, class tutor and class code and class tutor we need. Yes. Now for the query, this is our query for the label. So first we are creating the query, then our A code is AA01. AA code is AA01 and the class code includes the number 5 or 6. We have seen class code in the learners table. It is like 5, 4 or 6 tablets. So first number is there and then one correct letter is there. For that class code is either 5 or something or 6 or something. For something, anything we can write star and it should be sorted descending order of learners number. So it should be sorted according to learners number in the descending order. We will save our query. This is the labels query. So labels query, we'll write just labels query. Okay. Now we'll run the query and we'll see. Yes. So there are 13 records AA01 and 5 or 5 or 6. 5 or 6. Now will create the labels. So 2 column and 4 rows with 8 labels to the page. So for that labels we'll go to create labels Here for the labels they are asking the size should be 99 and 67.7. So it is 99, 67.7, and in a row it is two labels will be there. So next it is normal 12 size. Okay. Now what all fields we have to include here? We will just see axis arrangement, learners number, axis arrangement, learners number, then forename, surname, forename, space surname, then date of birth, then class code dash tutors code. So class code dash tutors code. Okay, next sorting we have already done. Next we'll see the display the data for each field left aligned with the layout as shown in the following. So layout is like this. So we have done. Okay, let's see in the layout view. Yes, it's coming left align. Okay. Now have your name, center number and candidate number on the left at the bottom of each label. So we'll write a label where a center name, center number and the candidate number. Okay. And it should be label left side. Okay. We'll see is it coming or not. Layout view. Yes, it is coming. Now modify only the first two lines of the label so that the text is displayed in 14 font size, centered, aligned and displayed in bold. So for that again we'll go to design view. For the first two we select by pressing the control key and it should be 14 in size, font size 14, centered, aligned and it should be bold. It should not be overlapped, so we'll just shift our little and it should come in the page size A4. We just check the page setup, size is A4 selected. Okay, now we see the print preview. It's two labels in a row, 8 labels in a page. Okay, now we'll print our save and print your labels. We'll save our labels, save, and now we'll print. Give for the printing, we'll save. '21 database labels 2025. We'll save this. Okay, we'll give the printing. By this we finished our 21st finished our database part. Hope you understood. If you have any query or doubt, please do comment and say, share, like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.